Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu ala habibi Muhammadin wa alihi wasallam. Look at the board, please. Stop talking. Girls, stop talking. Look at the board. All of you, look at the board. Students who are verifying the papers, please look at the door. Look at the board. I'm not deciding who is disturbing it. Are you in your senses? He is causing the disturbance. If you are not in your senses, you can go outside, no issue. Change your mood. Look at the board, all of you. Be attentive and remove your masks. Behind the mask you are talking. Masks are not allowed in my class. Please remove your mask. Remove it. Everybody remove your masks. Put them in your pockets. Look at the board. Bare infinitives and simple infinitives. Stand up. Why crossed up? I'm teaching, not telling you the jokes. Stand up. Look at the board. All of you look at the board. The bare infinitive is the infinitive used without to. Clear? Without using to, that is called bare infinitive. It follows modal verbs like can, will, must, etc. Clear? So there are modal verbs before it. For example, he can speak French. So this speak is bare infinitive. Underline this on your rough notebook. Speak is bare infinitive. Bi. Bare infinitive means bi. B mean bare, I mean infinitive. Underline this word. Speak is bare infinitive. Because modal verb can is coming before it. Modal verb can is coming before it. Look at the board. Stop checking the papers. Look at the board. Just get the understanding. After 5 minutes, you can resume your work. Next one. Second example. What is the bare infinitive in this sentence? Who will tell me? Raise your hands. Maintaining the decorum of my class, let me know what is the bare infinitive in second example.
Stand.
Stand. Why stand is bare infinitive?
Because him is
Okay, stand is bare infinitive because there is no to before it. There is no to before it. Clear? That's the reason stand is bare infinitive. Clear? Next one. Bare infinitive show direct or immediate action. So how can we identify bare infinitives? They show the direct and immediate quick action. Immediate means quick action. Immediate quick action. Clear? They are used in more concise, more sharp and informal context. Clear? So these bare infinitives, they are used in informal context and more short form. Like, for example, the simple infinitive functions as a noun. How does a simple infinitive function? It functions like a noun. Clear? How does a simple infinitive function? It functions like a noun. Clear? For example, to read. What is the habit of noun? What is the habit of noun? Where do the noun come? It comes in the beginning of the sentence. See? The simple infinitive is coming in the beginning of the sentence, to read. So to read is acting as a noun. Clear? To read is acting as a noun. Basically, what is to read?
no.
What is to read basically? What it is? It is simple infinitive. Underline this. Underline it. To read. Underline the to read on your notebooks. So what is to read? Right, simple infinitives are SI. Can you understand that? SI mean? S means simple, I mean infinitive. So to read is simple infinitive. Clear? So it is acting as a, to read is acting as a, it is acting as a, look at the screen. It is acting as a noun. Clear? And basically it is simple. Basically it is in simple infinitive, but it is playing the role of a noun. Why it is playing the role of a noun? Because it is coming in the beginning of the sentence. What is the habit of noun? Either it comes in the beginning of the sentence or it comes in the end of the sentence. Clear? Or sometimes in the middle of the sentence. Clear? It can act as the subject, object, complement, or follow prepositions. What role does it play? What role does simple infinitive play? It plays the role of subject, object, or follow preposition. It means how many roles does it play? How many roles? 4 roles. Number 1 role is subject. Number 2 role is
Object.
Number 3 role is complement. Number 4 role is prepositions. Clear? Look at the example. He likes to play. What is to play? What is to play? He likes to play the guitar. What is to play?
Object.
It is simple infinitive. To play is simple infinitive. So it is, there is a preposition before it. To. Clear? So here it is, playing the role of preposition, Like preposition is following it. See? Preposition to is following over here. He likes to play the guitar. Next one. Look at the board, please. Don't talk to each other, girls. You've got a very bad habit. This is a bad habit when I'm teaching you or you are talking to each other. In the end, you say, we don't understand this teacher. Easy excuse. Why you don't understand? Because the moment I'm teaching, you are talking to each other. I'm not reciting the Holy Quran over here. What do the people do when the Holy Quran is recited? They, cross their hands and then keep their eyes closed and look downward. So I'm teaching you English, not reciting the Holy Quran over here. I'm teaching you English, try to understand that. Recitation of the Holy Quran, it requires respect. Clear? Respectfully we keep our heads down, keep our eyes closed, do not look at the board or something like this. But when when understanding of the Holy Quran is there, then definitely you'll have to look at the board, okay? Next one, there is preposition before it. Next one, it's often used to express general truths or actions. So where do we use the simple infinitive? To express general truths or actions. Clear? So underline these things. To express general truths or actions. Underline this line. Clear? This part of the sentence. So where do we use infinitive? We use infinitive to express general truths or actions. Clear? Example number 3. She has no choice but to leave. she has no choice but to leave. Clear? Again, there is a preposition before it.
To leave. Okay.
To is the preposition. Clear? She has no choice but to leave. What is to leave? I'm going out of the room. It means I'm leaving the room. When I say I'm going out of the room, what does it mean? I'm leaving the room. Clear? So leaving is action. Clear? So it shows actions. Simple infinitives help convey purpose or action more directly. Clear? So what do the simple infinitive help?
Convey purpose.
Convey purpose
Action more
More directly.
or actions more directly. Clear?
Time is over.
They are used to express general truths or actions. Then what else they do? They help to underline this. Convey purpose
Or action more
or action more directly. Underline this part of the sentence. Clear? So that you may know what is the role their infinitives play. Okay, if you have any question or queries, please let me know. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Yes, turn it off.